Good day, I am Jose Mario Azaraga, and I will be presenting the approved research topic, which is the development of an inventory management system for construction materials in Kingston Construction Supply. For this presentation, I will focus on the background of the study and the questionnaire that I plan to use. Kingston already uses a POS-supported inventory process, so my concern is not to introduce inventory management from zero, but to improve the existing process based on the actual problems experienced by the business. Why inventory management matters? Inventory management is important in a construction supply business because the company needs reliable information about what is available, what has been sold or released, and what needs to be replenished. If records are inaccurate, the business can experience stockouts, unnecessary purchases, or difficulty serving customers. Inventory control is also not only about quantity. For applicable items, the company also needs to consider whether products are approaching expirations. Kingston Construction Supply, El Nido. Kingston Construction Supply started in 2004 as a wholesale and retail of aggregates and other construction materials. The El Nido branch was later established in 2017. Based on a company profile, the business now handles aggregates, cements, and other construction materials, while also providing delivery, tracking, and equipment-related services because the business handles different materials and transactions. Inventory accuracy becomes important in supporting its daily operations. The current inventory process. My initial interview with the owner clarified the actual process. Kingston already has a POS system. However, inventory items are still manually encoded into tables. Sales transactions are processed during the day, and at the end of the day, the inventory is closed and the remaining stocks are physically counted. This means that the current process combines computerized POS with manual encoding and physical verification. This study is therefore about improving an existing process. The problem encountered in the current process. The owner identified three important concerns. First, there are missing items during inventory checking. Second, there are cases where the quantity is in the record does not match the actual physical count. Third, some products remain unsold until they expire. These problems can lead to losses and can also make purchasing and recording decision less reliable. The questionnaire will help determine how often these problems are experienced, whether employees observe other related issues. Research direction. The study follows a simple sequence. We first assess the current process instead of immediately building a system. We then identify the operational problems and determine which part needs improvement. Those findings become the basis of the system requirements. After the system is developed, we evaluate whether it is usable and whether it actually improves the inventory process. Research objectives. There are 4 approved objectives. The first 2 objectives are addressed through the initial questionnaire and assessment of the current process. The third objective covers actual development of the inventory management system. The fourth objective will be addressed after development through a system testing and user evaluation. Questionnaire design. The pre-development questionnaire has 5 parts. The first identifies the respondent's role and involvement in inventory activities. The second looks at how consistent current inventory practices are performed. The third measures how frequently different inventory problems are encountered. And the fourth asks which proposed system features important. Finally, open-ended questions allow respondents to explain the problem that may not be fully captured by the rating scales item. For the current practices, we are not asking whether Kingston has an inventory process because we already know that it does. Instead, we ask how consistently and important steps are performed. These include checking deliveries, after records, conducting physical counts, investigating discrepancies, monitoring slow-moving or expiring items. and using inventory information for reordering. The third section focuses on the problem encountered. We group them into accuracy, monitoring, and stock condition. The owner has already identified missing items, wrong inventory quantities, and expired products. The survey will help determine whether these are isolated cases or recurring operational problems, and may reveal other issues experienced by the employees. This section asks respondents which functions are important for the proposed system. One useful feature is an inventory adjustment history. If an item is missing, the system should not simply change the quantity without explanation. It should record the adjustment reason, user and date time. We also include low stocks alert, slow-moving inventory monitoring, and expiration tracking where applicable. Part 5. Rating scale questions give measurable data, but they do not explain why a problem happens. This is why we included open-ended questions. If the respondents say discrepancies happen frequently, we also want to know what they believe causes them and how missing items are currently handled. Their answers can provide practical information for system design. Post-development evaluation. After the system is developed, we will use a second questionnaire. This focuses on usability and effectiveness. Usability asks whether the employees can learn and operate the system easily. Effectiveness asks whether the system helps with the problems identified earlier, such as inventory discrepancy, tracing transactions, monitoring low stocks, and checking items approaching expirations. How we will evaluate improvement. Aside from asking users whether they think that the system is effective, we recommend a simple before and after test. Users can perform the same inventory task using the current process and the developed system. We can compare time needed, whether the correct information was obtained, and the number of errors. This provides actual performance data and makes the evaluation stronger. Expected contribution of the study. From an industrial engineering perspective, the study is about improving the existing process. We expect the proposed system to improve inventory accuracy and visibility, reduce time needed to check records, provide better traceability when the discrepancies occur, and support better stock monitoring. The goal is not to build a complicated system for its own sake, but to solve actual operation problems experienced by Kingston. References. These are the references used in the study. Company profile supporting the background of description of Kingston's operations. The preliminary interview supports the description of the current POS-supported inventory process and the problems initially identified. For software evaluation, we will use relevant concepts from ISO IEC 25010-2023. The owner interview is personal communication in APA, so it's cited in the text rather than conclude retrievable published reference. Thank you. That ends my presentation of the introduction and proposed research questionnaire. Thank you.